Hello there. This is Zaid Al Shahid, Skeletal Raven Arts, and finally we have an update on Carnage Mansion. So, my God, it's been a year. I just want to say thank you very much for everyone who liked, shared, and commented on our video, either it's positive or negative. Uh, at least I got the chance to respond to a lot of people and also set up their expectation. Yes, we are trying to create a spiritual successor for a game like Splatterhouse, but also we want to create our own game and stand out on our own. So yeah, Huh. where uh, where we have been, uh, what we have been doing, basically, where we are now and where we're heading. So for the past year, me and my friend, partner in crime and work, uh, Alex Valdez, we have been working on multiple projects. We had to shift jobs. We have to do a lot of things. And this includes Carnage Mansion. So for Carnage Mansion, we actually created a build for just to explore and see how things could be for a specific genre, which is the more of Streets of Rage feel. And we showcased that game at multiple events, including GDS, Game Development Summit, and PGDX, which is the Philippine Game Development Expo. We got to talk to a lot of people, including old fans from our old game Goodnight, and new fans, new people who liked what we were doing. So thank you very much, and also retro fans, and specifically, thankfully, Splatterhouse fans. So after showcasing that demo, they liked the graphics, they liked the feel, they liked the direction that we're going with. But there were some comments regarding the gameplay and the genre as well. Uh, so here is what we are doing right now. After creating a pitch deck, and that was not just for Carnage Mansion, we're working across multiple projects to check which one is going to work out. And one of the pitch decks for our game Carnage Mansion, we decided, okay, we're scrapping that beat 'em up engine that we have, and we're creating something new. So when we decided that, as Alex is trying to figure out the systems, okay, he's working on the systems while he's doing his own stuff. He's working on the systems within Unity to help him lift a lot of the work on him, because our previous game had the problem where he became the bottleneck because there's too much work on him. So also I have been, for the past 5 6 years now, I've been learning more on Unity, so I'm becoming more efficient in it. I'm developing shaders, developing effects in there, so I'm becoming better to be able to help him out. So that's a good thing. So as he's building the systems, on my side, I've been trying to develop the story, the characters, their motivations, the world, and the set pieces, and how things are gonna be, where the game's gonna start, where it's gonna finish. Is very important for the pacing, for everything, right? So it took me a while because I see the character, I see his wife, I see. The enemies, and I saw the first level, and that's where the visual study started. But I don't see everything else that comes after that. And thankfully, at some moment, just when finally I had time to think, to be able to think without being stressed out about things, it just popped up. Everything is there, and the story is like almost 85% done. Characters are also around the same, I would say, around the same percentage when it comes to their idea. Concepts are already there. I'm modeling some of the enemies as well. Uh, and uh, Alex was done with some of the systems that he have been working on. And thankfully, for the past few days, I have used a lot of my animations that I created originally for the previous engine and reutilize them for the new engine. And it took me just a little bit of time to get used to the systems. And thankfully, again, for the past couple of days, I was able to get something, and it felt right. It felt really right, and it felt like, okay, this is gonna be a fun combat to play. And currently, the system is not playable. Okay, that I'm doing, but it's a visual representation for Alex to understand what he's going to code. It will eliminate this stage, eliminating the back and forth between me and him. So it's like here's the gameplay, here's how it's going to be. He has a visual representation, and he understand how to code it and how to go about it. Both of us are gamers, and we work better with visuals. So yeah, uh, so this is what where we are right now. We are at a good level. We understand where the gameplay is kind of going, and until we are 100% sure, so this is where we're heading now. Until we're 100% sure of how the gameplay is going to be, because this is what we believe in. We believe in, like, yes, visual stories, interesting, cool, nice. Very, very good when you have these, but also if the gameplay is not fun, then the game is not going to be fun. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. We want to make a good game. So until we are 100% sure that this thing is going to be fun to play, okay, it's going to give a good experience, we are going to go for a crowdfunding. We have talked to multiple people, showing them the pitch deck, showing them everything, but it seems that the market right now in the game development is very tough, and we are just a couple of guys who are working from the living room. It's a little bit different, and they're also looking for a, a team that is like has a studio at least, and we don't. We cannot afford. We're again working from the living room, and life and family. So yeah, so this is not working out on that side. So it's like we decided, okay, we should go for Kickstarter, but we don't want to go for Kickstarter and figure things out on your time and money. Okay, if anyone is going to be paying for that, it's not fair until we make sure that our gameplay is solid and we understand what we are heading 100%, and we feel it. Like, so we're going to have a vertical slice of one level, okay, from finish to end, sorry, from from beginning to end, and we get the gameplay right, and that's the time that we are going to go for crowdfunding. So yes, so this is where we are right now and where we are heading. And just want to say sorry for the long video, and I'm gonna show you some footage of what we are currently working on, and some of it is jumping the gun, but I know that you guys are gonna maybe like what we are doing. So yeah, without further ado, and thank you very much. Happy Halloween.